Algorand's EMA10 generally shows an especially descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. As far as Algo's support floor, it certainly is currently 29 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algo fell 8.74% in 7 days, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand is buy and bias teamed at 17 cents 20 January 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what basically is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for Algorand. For the most part is Algo an excellent interest in an especially large manner. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, so Algorand's EMA10 especially shows a truly descending pattern in a genuinely significant manner. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, in a real sense, let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, or so they especially thought. The especially all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $57,055,176,489 in an essentially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, which especially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, which especially is very critical. Sol, the really local coin of Solana by and large, is somewhere near 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67, which especially is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions especially show that the market fundamentally is going in a kind of descending bearing for truly present moment, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Algo specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, a for the most part broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how moreover. XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors really become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they sort of thought. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The fundamentally current Algorand cost really is 17 cents, with an exchanging volume of $57,122,298 in the beyond 24 hours, showing that Algorand especially is buy and bias esteemed at 17 cents 20 January 2024. In this video we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some things, facts, what essentially is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Algorand, in a real sense, is Algo by and large wise speculation, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Presently, Algo in a real sense is somewhere near 4.09% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,377,105,165 United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024 inside a day-to-day time span really made sense of beneath, which truly shows that as far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is currently 29 cents. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to sort of investigate the future development of the Algorand. Showing how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%. Which by and large is genuinely huge. The Algorand basically has fundamentally break all its sort of supports levels, and things sort of are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, most certainly further appearance how we utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Algorand, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner. As of now, fundamentally bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively really take Algo cost underneath the essential help level of 29 cents, exhibiting how moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem. Showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in a fundamentally enormous manner. While Algo's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty signed by and large is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on. So Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a really descending pattern, which truly is very critical. The Algo United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, truly is showing an especially present moment certainly sell in every practical sense, signal as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath